see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Yeah. You know who's back up in this motherfucker.
Where the hood at? Had a nigga in the cut where the wood at. All the niggas acting up where the wolves at. You better bust that if you don't pull that. Where the hood at? Had a nigga in the cut where the wood.
Still Snoop Dogg and D.R.E. Guess who's back? Still doing that shit, Andre? Oh, for sure. Yeah.
$6 million ways to die. Choose one.
It's time to skate, but I don't know where the fuck I'm headed.
Move, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Move, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Move, bitch, get out the way.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it bad cause I'm brown. And not the other color, so police think they have the authority to kill a minority. Fuck that shit cause I ain't the one for a punk motherfucker with a badge and a gun.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster. A real gangster ass nigga plays his cards right. A real gangster ass nigga never runs his fucking mouth, cause real gangster ass niggas don't start fights.
Boy, killers, you know who the realest is, nigga.